Would you believe me if I told you this fall off the bone turkey was made in a bag? Watch this. First, we need to chop up our veggies, carrots, celery, and onion. Then it's time for that turkey. In a small bowl, melt 1 stick of butter. Then we gotta add that flavor. I'm using that Dirty Bird rub, 13 herbs and spices all in 1 bottle. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Give that a mix, and then go ahead and slather it down all over your turkey. Don't be shy, y'all. Get up under that skin, get up on them legs, them wings. Every piece you're gonna eat, go ahead and give it a touch. Stuff your bird with some aromatics like thyme, rosemary, lemon, and garlic. Tie up them legs, then set that turkey to the side. Now it's time to get that bag. Now don't use none of those bags you got underneath your sink. You're gonna need an oven-safe bag for this one. Place your bag in a roasting pan, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give that a shake. That's gonna create a delicious gravy at the end. Add your veggies, and then place your turkey inside that bag. Make sure you secure that bag, y'all. Twist up that top, tie it tight, and then cut 6 small slits around the bag. Bake this at 350 for 3 to 4 hours or 15 minutes per pound. Once your turkey's done, let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Tear open that bag and then get ready for the goodness. Juicy, tender, fall off the bone turkey, y'all. To get this full recipe, visit the link in my bio or go to UncleDibbz.com. Now like Coach Prime say, cut the bulljuck and give me one of them legs. That's good, shorty.